The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 has just landed, but is it worth the upgrade? Samsung has trimmed the fat, weighing in at just 239 grams and measuring 12.1mm folded and 5.6mm while unfolded. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is lighter and thinner than last year's Z Fold 5. The phone is a little shorter and wider than the Z Fold 5 too, but the new proportions haven't hurt the display real estate. On the outside, we've got a 6.3-inch AMOLED external display, while unfolding the phone reveals a massive 7.6-inch internal display. Both displays now support a dynamic 1 to 120Hz refresh rate, which should provide buttery smooth operation as well as battery improvements. The device is powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, a chipset that's likely to impress when it comes to our benchmark testing. It's backed by 12GB of RAM, along with your choice of 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB of internal storage. And then there's Galaxy AI, which will be available from launch. Along with features like Circle to Search and Chat Assist, the Fold 6 debuts a live translation function that can show your native tongue on the internal display and the translation on the exterior screen. This seems like it could be a really nifty feature, and it's certainly something we're excited to test out. Unfortunately, a couple of key areas have seen no improvement over last year's model. The camera setup is unchanged, a 50MP main lens, 12MP ultra-wide, and 10MP 3x telephoto. Considering we found photography to be something of a weak link on the Z Fold 5, this seems like a missed opportunity. We'd also like to have seen some battery improvements as well, but once again we've got a 4400mAh battery supporting 25 watts wired charging and 15 watts wireless charging. The price also stings. Each storage option costs £50 more than last year, making the 256GB model £1,799, the 512GB model £1,899, and the 1TB model a staggering £2,099. So, should you upgrade? Well, it depends. The Fold 6 offers a refined overall design, upgraded cover display, snappier performance, and some cool AI features. But with the cameras and battery remaining unchanged, and the price being increased, we're as of yet unconvinced. If, however, you're already sold, pre-orders are open now, with the release set for July 24th. Keep an eye on the Expert Reviews website for our complete Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 review. And as always, remember to like and subscribe for more videos on the latest smartphones, laptops, and more.